Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video tutorial I will show you how to fix KB5063878 not installing on Windows, or how to fix KB5063878 install error on Windows 11. So here follow these steps. First go to this website. It is a Microsoft official website. Link is given in video description, or you can open Chrome browser and in search type Microsoft Update Catalog and open the first search result. Now here you have to type KB5063878 and click on search. Now if you have 32-bit version, then download 32-bit version. If you have 64-bit version, then download 64-bit version. And if you are having Microsoft Server operating system, then click the third option. So in my case I have 64-bit version, so I have to download second option. It will open a new pop-up window. Now download both of them. So I have downloaded both the files. What you have to do, you have to run and install both the files on your PC, and after the installation of both the files you have to restart your PC once, and then you can check that the KB5063878 not installing error has been fixed. So that's all for this video. If this video helped you, then please like and share this video, and also subscribe to my YouTube channel to get the latest updates. Thank you.